If you love the idea of an SUV's cargo space, but you hate the taller ride and bulk, a station wagon is the body style that quietly solves that problem. A station wagon is basically a car with an extended roofline that runs to the rear of the vehicle, and a large rear cargo area accessed through a liftgate. In the US, you might also hear the term wagon, and modern versions sometimes get marketed as sport wagons. The big functional difference from a sedan is that the cargo area is part of the cabin volume, so you get a tall, long load space without moving up into a crossover. Most wagons are 5-door layouts, and the rear seats usually fold down to create a long, flat area that is perfect for strollers, camping gear, ski equipment, fishing gear, or just the reality of family life. The step-by-step advantage is usability. The opening is wide, the floor is lower than most SUVs, and the driving feel is often more car-like and stable at speed. Wagons used to be everywhere decades ago, and while crossovers dominate now, the wagon formula still makes a lot of sense if you want space without the higher center of gravity.